So I'm going to just kind of give you guys a look at some of the crafts that we've done so that as the season goes on, I'm going to start going on to different crafts so that you guys can look up these crafts and we'll go on to new crafts. Let me just quickly take this little tea light. There was a pack of tea lights in the dollar store. So you have tea lights, 2 tea lights for $1. And this is kind of cute. This looks very seasonal. So I'm just going to put it in there so you guys can take a look at some of my previous crafts and you'll see how to do them. These are just tissue boxes, so if you have a bookshelf and you need to fill up some of the space without having to spend money on books, just add these little tissue boxes, put some tassels on it, and it fills up the space. This is just, as you can see, a can with some ribbon on it to get kind of matched back. This is a frame with a card in it. I showed you this frame. You could put it with a menu. This is a can with wrapping paper on it. We did this flower wall. We did this light, and I put it on top of, I did another one like this that you can put on top of the can. So these are all the crafts that we've done, and hopefully you guys can take a look at the previous videos. So soon I'll add new crafts to the background of my videos. Thanks for watching.